Hello, I'm in another part of Taiwan. I'm in Chiayi currently, and this place is called Green Hotel, Chiayi Green Hotel. I'm staying in 6th floor, number 608. This is the hallway, and the lift is this side. And you have your water dispenser here. And just a few designs in the hallway. Okay, let's show you my room. Time now is almost 4 p.m. Just arrived from Kaohsiung. Okay, this is the hotel name in case you are interested. It's around 10 minutes walk from Chiayi train station. It's different from the high-speed train railway. It's the normal train station Chiayi. Okay, so this is how the room looks like. From my right side, you have a basin which is outside of the washroom. You get a big mirror, the entrance door, and you have your indoor slipper, hair dryer. This is an extra toilet bowl. Let's go to the toilet area. You get a bidet like the Japanese style. Then this is the first time I see a hotel giving a deodorant spray. Smell it. Kind of a light scent. Then there's another door which leads to your shower. You got your handheld shower. Then they provide shower gel and shampoo. This is the first hotel that have this concept where kind of like separated door but inside one room, that kind of concept. And there is a curtain in the middle. I don't know why. Maybe those who doesn't like to see a mirror while you're sleeping. Okay, anyway, here is a open wardrobe with your safety box, and then you got your bedside table, and this is the power socket. I got 2 pillows with 1 double bed. This one your fridge cooler, and you get your tea and coffee. This place is famous for Alishan, which I will be going. 1 kettle and phone to call the reception, your controller. This is actually an extra mirror tissue. Then you get a room information. This is a and I got 1 rubbish. I have no idea, they did not clean this, not from me by the way. And then this will be your view. It's quite near to each other house. Okay, I guess that's about all. Oh yeah, then I'll show you the reception. The reception is divided from the entranceway, but anyway, it's okay. I'll just show you how it looks like. Bye bye. This is the building outside. This is what it looks like, and you have your buildings in front of it. 7-Eleven, food store. Where's this bubble tea shop, I think? And let me show you the reception. Reception is this side. And there is a cafe inside. To enter the room is on the other side, which has to be accessed by the room card. Okay. This hotel provide a laundry room to dryer through washer, and they have a so-called like a chill place with a book. Then they have a, oh I see, free water. Nice. Then I think you can order some drinks here. Okay, this is at level 3 area, and let's see some of the books. I guess mostly they are in Mandarin. Yep, looks quite a nice place. That's all. Good morning, guys. From Chiayi Hotel here, Green Hotel. Checking out of this room today. I slept here for 3 nights on this bed. Giving you my thoughts of staying here for 3 nights. Number one, location-wise, is quite near to the Chiayi train station, the TRA, not the high-speed train. It's just a 10 minutes walk. Actually, it's this side. As you can see from outside, lots of shops. 7-Eleven is just opposite in front. Attractions, I'd like to go to the Chiayi Park, Sun Shooting Tower. The Hinoki village is about less than half an hour walk. Then there's taxi around if you want to go there instead of walking. Otherwise, Wi-Fi works. Noise level, you can't hear the road noise from here. Human noise, not so much. I think there's not any occupant in other room. I've used the laundry service in level 3. The machine was easy to function. It's only the put the detergent and start. That's it. There's no other button to press. Same wise for the dryer. Just set how long you want for the set to it to dry, 1 hour, 2 hours, and start. That's all. Bed wise was okay. Pillow not really comfortable for me. There's no breakfast service here, but there's a lot of breakfast shop around which you can get your food. Shower was okay. What else? I think that's about it. I would say it was okay stay here, I mean, for a short while. The popular area to go is most of the people come here to go to the Alishan National Park. So from here you can go to the TRA station bus, which is a 10 minutes walk, and get the bus from there. It will also alight there. Oh yeah, and when you come here from the high-speed train, it actually will stop you at the bus stop, and from the bus stop you have to take overhead bridge, which you exit through the train station. Okay, that's about it. Bye.